The last thing that I was going to go through before we can kind of open it up to a very, to whatever other questions, was the report builder. If there was some information that you want delivered on a daily, weekly basis, this is where you would set that up. And you can really jump through and configure and create an emailed report that is suited to exactly what you want to see. All the instructions are in here. There's all kinds of different ways that you can manipulate that report and different information that you can put on there. And then you can either schedule it on your personal account or across the entire company. And so I'll do a very, very, very quick report builder here. It's under admin, report builder. And if I wanted to, let's say, do Doug's daily report, I can now go through, and if you can imagine what the email might look like, we would have rows on it and columns. So there's 8 sections that you can fill out. So I want to see any tasks that have been created today, and I want to see it in a grid format. And if I just save that, I can then take a look at what that might look like. Now, this is a pretty boring report because in my test system, apparently I don't have too much data here, but let's see. I'm going to go in and I'm going to add open tasks, high and urgent. And so if I click preview now, this is now going to show me all of the open tasks that are either high or urgent. And so if you can imagine getting this on a daily or weekly basis, however you want, this will give you great information so that you can then quickly go in and go back into the app, see what that task is, and then be able to create those follow-up notes for the rest of your team. So again, just go through this if that's of interest, but I just wanted to make sure that you were aware that there are reports available, daily reports, weekly reports, that you can customize to suit your needs.